Do you want to be able to fix Facebook notifications not working? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. And actually, this is most likely going to be a pretty easy fix for you, because a lot of people I've seen that have this issue right here that I'm going to show you, that basically makes Facebook notifications not working. So what you need to do is to actually close your Facebook app. So close your Facebook app, go into your settings app instead. Now in here, just simply scroll down, keep scrolling down until you can see Facebook in here. So I'm just going to actually find Facebook, just a second. Let's see if I've, yeah, here, perfect. As you can see Facebook in here, and that is great. As you can see where it says notifications in here, I need to click on allow notifications, because if I don't, well, then I will not get any notifications on my Facebook. So make sure that you allow this one. And if you have the Messenger app as well, then you can also allow like the Messenger notifications as well, and then you will have the full Facebook notifications working on your mobile. So that is basically exactly how to do this. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.